This house did not have car parking space, so we have created a car parking space by making structural changes. Not just that, we have corrected the Vastu of this house and brought in natural light to the ground floor through Skylight Creation. Let's get into the video. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Siddharth, founder of Inkstone Infra, your home renovation expert in Bangalore. This is a 30 years old load-bearing house renovated to a modern house with proper amenities by Inkstone Infra. The old front elevation is remodeled to a contemporary design. The front elevation reflects elegance with subtle colors.